What's up, YouTube? So today I decided to leave my hair like natural, and I just like diffused it a little bit. But this is just like my natural hair, and like I feel like it's giving like latina mommy vibes. And so I think I want to go with like a y2k like 90s eye look. I feel like that would be really cute with this, so that's what this video is gonna be. I'm gonna get started with the brows. Honestly, it's gonna be the same tutorial that my brows are the same, like they're skinny, they're thin, and my brow tutorial on this channel is skinny thin brows. So but I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back from doing my brows. Obviously looking super snatched. Now I just gotta like finish the face. I'm gonna do some spot concealing because girl, I need to. If you can skip a step, then just skip it. Okay, I feel like my hair is like 2 seconds away from getting into my makeup. So I'm gonna try to tie her up, but I don't want to ruin the curls. Since this needs like some time to sit, I feel like we could just go in with the eyes first. So I'm gonna zoom you up. Of course, I think you already know what we're gonna start with. It's this Nova Beauty palette, the Smoky palette, and of course we're gonna go in with a transition, which is just this color called Shade, and I'm gonna just run that all over my crease. That way, because this is gonna be like a white eyeshadow look, this will give like a little bit of separation from the eye to the brow. Alright, this piece is really trying me right now. Then for the white eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with this Flirty Talk palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called On Your Minds. It does have like a little bit of shimmer in it, but it doesn't really show up, so we can get away with it, especially because 90s looks usually have like not really that much shimmer. It's usually like matte. So I'm gonna just go in with this brush that looks like this and kind of try to like pack it onto my eyelid. And I'm gonna start like kind of like low and then like slowly work my way up. You don't want to like start up high and then it's like too high and then like what are you gonna do? But I'm gonna just try to make this literally as white as possible. I'm so excited for this look. I really love like the retro looks, and like with the duckies, like stop. And then just to kind of like blend things out, whatever's like left over on this transition brush, I'm gonna just like sweep over it real quick just to blend shit together. But basically it should look like that. I am so excited. This honestly makes me want to like change into like a whole other outfit, because I was just gonna have like this like gym fit because I'm like running errands, but this makes me want to like go just all the way, period, like, you know. Actually, okay, I'm back. I feel like this top is like way more like 90s-esque. She cute though. I did have to like put a bra on just because I feel like it was a little risky otherwise. I'm gonna zoom you back up because we're not done with the eyes yet. I don't even know where I left off. Did I like even blend this part yet? I feel like we still could use a little more white. This looks even. I hope so. Alright, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Then for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this Nova Beauty gel eyeliner in ASAP. And then we're just gonna do like a little baby wing. Just like literally the tiniest. And then the rest, I'm gonna just tight line my like waterline. Oh, yeah, I hate this part. Trying not to cry. I never show that part either because I just feel like, I don't know, even when I'm just like editing my own YouTube videos, like even when I'm like curling my lashes and I see like my eyeball like a little too much, like I'm like I'm literally gagging. So I like don't like to show that part just like in case it triggers anybody else. And if like you're like me, you can't handle seeing eyeballs, like eyeballs and belly buttons, like I can't do it. Like I literally got a belly button piercing to kind of like protect my belly button so that nobody could like fuck with it, touch it, get near it. Like even the process of of getting my belly button pierced, like because I have to take a little clamp and like get all up in there. I was literally like gripping onto the table and my mom had to go with me because I was just like, oh, it's so disgusting. It's like one thing I can't stand, and eyeballs. Anyways, let's talk about something like better because that shit is disgusting. I'm gonna just do the same thing onto the other side. And I'm really just like dragging it like a third of the way in, not even halfway, like barely anything. Okay, and then I'm gonna just waterline the bottom waterline. This thing doesn't freak me out the same way that like the top does, because it's like, I don't know, I'm not like exposing my whole eyeball. Like I just feel very like, I don't know if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna just connect it just so that it's all together. And that's it. Where is my lash curler? I swear, like finding things on my vanity is like playing like Where's Wallow, because like I'm just, if you saw my vanity right now, you'd be like, girl, what the fuck? Like, get it together. See, this is the part like I can't even like look at when I'm editing. It's just so fucking foul. Then for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Super Fan. I don't know why I always think I can do this from like my vanity mirror, but I can't. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 coats, so that's just like 1 coat on this eye, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then second coat on this side. And then I'm gonna wait to do the bottom mascara when we're actually like finished with the whole look, because otherwise I'm gonna be scared that my concealer is gonna get on my lashes. I don't know. I used to hate my face without lashes, but I've been really into like the more, not that I'm like a natural like beat girly, that's definitely not my vibe, but like I just like giving my natural lashes like the moment they deserve, I guess, like because like it just gives like a different vibe from like falsies. I don't know if that makes like any sense at all. Okay, so I lightly just like buffed that out a little bit, but now it's time to go in with foundation, and I just feel like it should be a natural foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this Josy foundation. I don't know what shade it is because this guy's rubbed off. And I guess I'm almost out too. I'm gonna have to figure out that shade. Whatever shade it is though, I feel like it's literally the perfect skin match for me, like for the rest of my body. My face be like on its own timing, but for like the rest of my body, I feel like it literally matches. Like, wait for it to be blended in. But I feel like it literally matches perfect. Because this is like a neutral one, but I feel like it has like a little bit of like oliviness in it, which I feel like my whole life people have always told me I have like olive undertones. Even though I don't have like tan skin. I mean, I could be tan. I'm just like, I live like a vampire, and I put sunscreen on even like when I'm inside the house. Because even like natural light just coming in from the windows, like I literally want 0 tan just because I feel like it looks better on me when I'm pale. I don't know. Even when I go to the beach or like on like a tropical like vacation where I'm out in the sun a lot, like 50 SPF, and I'm like reapplying like once every like hour just in case. And then since this is a 90s look, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty contour stick. It's in number 9 Amber Suede. It's like a very cool toned brown. It's literally my favorite. I think I'm only gonna do a little bit on the forehead because I feel like I need to chisel the cheeks because I got chubby cheeks, and no, not for this look. And I'm gonna just start on the nose contour because I can't function without nose contour. That's like a non-negotiable. I have like 2 of these like duo complexion brushes, and I always have to look at like the darkness of it because otherwise I literally can't tell which one's like for what. Like the darker one is the one that I use like for the cream, and then the powder is like the lighter one. That's how I can tell. I always have to like hold them up together because otherwise I have no idea. And then I'm gonna just blend all of it in just like normal, and I always drag it like towards like the corner of my mouth. Just make sure like you research your face shape because contour like The application is like the same, like as far as like patting it in and getting like a super airbrush look, but like placement wise it's different for every face shape, so make sure it like complements your face shape. Now I'm gonna just go straight back in with the concealer. I'm gonna use this Faux Filter Huda Beauty concealer. I'm gonna put some on my chin and my forehead and then under my eyes. I did get some mascara like on my top lid, like right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to scratch that off. I want to let this marinate, but I also got shit to do today, so actually, you know what I can do is go find my lip liner because I'm pretty sure it's like in my bag, but I think my bag is still in my car, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. Turns out it wasn't in my car. I literally went out there for nothing, but you know. Now that that's like kind of set for a little bit, I'll just start blending it in. I really desperately need to wash my sponges. I'll wash like my powder puffs like in the laundry, but these sponges and brushes, like I'm so behind. Why didn't you guys say anything? I literally forgot nose contour and I forgot to set my actual contour. See, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I literally shouldn't be responsible. Anything in life. I want to say I'm gonna keep it natural, but this is like the most full tone, like natural-ish color that I have for contour. I'm literally going to Sephora today to pick up the Dior bronzer since I broke my last one and I already hit the pan like a long time ago. I'm so excited because that's like my favorite color and it's like the most natural looking. I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright, so I did accidentally blend out this under eye before I just remembered again that I still need to set this contour. So I'm using this Makeup Forever contour. I don't know what shade it is because you can like build your own compacts with like your own shade, but the compact itself doesn't have like a name or anything on it because it's like customizable, and I got this like literally maybe over 4 years ago, so I don't know. I believe I forgot that. And like for me to forget that twice, like please. And then of course I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm gonna get it ready on this powder puff and blend out my under eye and go straight in. I'm gonna go in twice with the powder. I never really bake because I have dry skin, but I just go in twice because I swear it makes a difference, and sometimes even 3 times. Like the 3rd time I really just focus it like where I get the creasing, and then I just blend out like this whole like triangle of concealer that I have right here. And then I'm gonna go just set the whole rest of my face because 90's lips were super matte, so I just want to make sure that my skin is super matte. And plus I have curly hair today and it's gonna be like just all over the place, and it's kind of like the whole like lip gloss concept where like I feel like it sticks to my face if I have like a dewy face with curly hair. It just like doesn't work out, so I'm gonna just make sure everything's like set. And then I'm gonna go in with this Kosas Cloud Set powder in Breezy, like a foundation powder, and I'm gonna go over like my chin and like my mouth, like my smile lines, because that's where I crease also, because I smile a lot. Just kidding, I really don't, but I guess I do because I don't know, they be showing up. So I feel like I'm not really like a smiley ass bitch, but I guess maybe I am. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this Milk Lip and Cheek because it's really pretty. And I feel like the purple kind of gives like 90's vibes. And I'm gonna go put that onto like this brush that I use for my blush. And I'm not gonna go like too crazy with the blush because I feel like in the 90's like blush wasn't really like focus. Just a little bit, just to bring like a little more color back into my face. Especially because we have like a white eyeshadow look, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to look too ashy or like washed out. And since this is a cream, it's still gonna give like a little life back into my face. But I'm not gonna highlight or anything except my nose. My neighbors are neighboring again, can you tell? And on top of that blush, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario Desert Rose. And it's like this. Okay, so for nose contour, I literally have to. I don't care what anybody says. But I'm just gonna put that on my nose just to give it like some shape again. And that's it. The rest is gonna be super matte. And then for lip liner, you already know it's gonna be MAC lip liner in Stone. And then since this is like a 90s look, I'm gonna go in with this brown lip gloss from Fenty Beauty in hot chocolate. Cause I want this to be like Latina Y2k. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna try to move my hair back. I might do one more coat for my lashes. And then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. And then actual final step, I'm gonna go in with this Milk Kush Clear Brow Gel. And I'm gonna put that all over my brows because just like my hair, my brows are like curly, and even though I don't have like a lot of brow hair, the ends like to curl and like not sit down. I don't know. This is the final look, but it's definitely giving like I feel like Shakira before she went blonde. This is the top. I just have sweatpants on right now, so like don't say anything, but I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I chose these pants right here. They're super cute. They're from Jade in London, and I'm just gonna wear them with some clear heels. And then since I'm gonna be wearing some nude clear heels, I think I'm gonna also wear, yes. Alright, yeah, for real now, this is the finished look. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you recreate this look, and don't forget to tag me. And yeah, have a blessed day. Mwah.